Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Hoot and Friends if you've been following this series, and welcome if you are new here. Today we will be tracing and writing the uppercase and lowercase letter Y and tracing the words yellow and yo-yo together. Grab your pencil or marker and let's get started. We will start with the uppercase Y. We will start at the top on the left and trace a diagonal line down to the midline. Next, from the midline, we will trace a diagonal line going up and to the right. Now, we will go to the midpoint of the two diagonal lines and trace a straight vertical line down to the bottom. Now, we will practice writing the uppercase Y without the guidance of the tracing dots. Next, we will trace the lowercase y. We will start at the midline and on the left and trace a diagonal line down to the bottom. Next, we will go back up to the midline and on the right, we will trace a diagonal line toward the bottom connecting the two lines and stopping just a little below the bottom line. Now, we will practice writing the lowercase y without the guidance of the tracing dots. Next, we will trace the words yo-yo and yellow.